My dear students, thank you very much for joining in this course. In this course SEO link building, I will teach you how make backlinks for your website, your YouTube channel or your customer website. In this chapter we talk about what is the comment backlinks, how important comment backlinks, still it's working comment backlinks, but earlier I talked you about the backlinks because the Google doesn't disclose their ranking patterns, how they rank websites, but mostly the most important things is the guest posting, form backlinking, and few of the comments, can text and social profiling. These are can improve all factors comes to improve your websites. There are 200 factors: on page, off page, technical SEO. Three things: on page, off page, and technical. These three things contribute to ranking your websites. What is the comment backlinking? Comment backlink are those that you create your website by commenting on other blog websites. Comments that you creating other websites comments and give link your website. These are called comments backlinking. Almost every blog has comment section where they ask you for name, email, and website URL and comments. Almost every blog have. They can few of can just that time approve your comments, and someone can check verify it is human or any boot, then verify your comments, that you read that articles and write comments about that articles and add little bit information and ask any questions and give your name, email address, and website URL. Then that can improve your accept your comments, then can create backlinks, but not create so much backlinks. And they if spam, count the spam, mostly the comment backs. If you try to create bundle of comments, so that mostly count spam your websites. So not try such kinds backlinks for your websites, but it's not so much important. A few times it's work, and some expert says that's not work. You can see the here is the article, and the article you can find the reply. Leave a reply. Your email will not be published. Required field are marked. Your email will not be published. And check your name, email address, websites, and comment box. You write about articles. You check read articles completely and give your comments. Check bs.com, the who can learn artificial intelligence. Check that articles and give your suggestions, comment, and queries about that articles. Then the webmaster of that website can approve your comments, and you can get backlinks from this websites. There is other way you can through get comments back links for social media. You can log on in Twitter and Facebook and other your platforms and can give your comments there and can get backlinks for your websites. Thank you very much. See you in next lecture.